pre-kindergarteners and kindergarteners. Come one, come all. Come, come, come. We love to show you our school and have some fun. Join us at Lancaster Mennonite on February 28th.
For an open house at our 3 campuses, it's going to be great! Come to Locust Grove or New Danville from 10 to 11 in the morning, or Hershey from 12:30 to 1:30 in the afternoon, even if it's pouring.
You can meet teachers, play games, and hear Dr. Seuss stories. Museum makerspaces.
Spanish immersions, fine arts,
And community,
You'll soon forget.
about all your going to school worries.
He's always welcome.
To reserve your spot,
we welcome you to explore our community.
And see how God's love is taught. Pre-kindergarteners and kindergarteners. Come one, come all. We hope your family
We'll accept our invitation and call.